Williams here in Fireside Chats to talk to you about DefenAge, something we're very excited about. First of all, thank you so much for watching our videos, and we're always looking for feedback. Check us out on Williams Center YouTube / Williams Center to see all kinds of behind-the-scenes YouTube videos, surgery and whatever, and also follow me on Snapchat, Dr. Ed Williams, all lowercase letters. Anyway, DefenAge, what is it? I don't like to sensationalize things, but I will tell you DefenAge, I think, is a big breakthrough in skincare. We've talked about using stem cells to stimulate our collagen in our skin, but it never really made a lot of sense because simply putting stem cells on the skin, I don't quite understand unless it has growth factors that can stimulate how that works. And there hasn't been really a lot of science to back that up. However, DefenAge is the only skincare product now using these proteins called defensins to regenerate skin. How does it work? These proteins communicate very specifically to our own stem cells. So the stem cells are those cells that are on the basal layer that are where all of the skin regenerates from. So these defensins send messages when they're put on the skin to stimulate. And actually, there's science now to back that up. These specific stem cells can produce young, healthy cells. So these stem cells that we have there already are now duplicating 2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells. And so that is why it makes our skin look better. I've been using the DefenAge system for about a week now, and I got to tell you, I'm pretty impressed with what I'm seeing. I use it in conjunction with DefenAge, but we basically designed a program for everyone which is specific. What happens? The old cells are exfoliated off. Then the young cells migrate to the surface of the skin and result in a clear, smooth, and a glowing appearance, also with more collagen deposition and reduction of fine wrinkles. So the DefenAge Clinical Power Trio is a collection of 3 different products. So they kind of come together and they utilize the power of defensins to regenerate your skin. The trio includes 3 things. One is a 2-minute reveal mask, which is it's a sugar-based, it's like a sugar-based mask. Once that comes off, you use the 24/7 barrier balance cream, and an 8-in-1 is the 3rd step, is the bioserum emulsion, which has the defensins. All 3 products work together to visibly improve up to 16 signs of aging in about 5 or 6 weeks. Who's a good candidate? Basically anyone who's concerned about the aged appearance or sun damage of their skin. Some people just don't care, but if someone wants to keep a rejuvenated, youthful-looking skin, this system is for you. You may get some flaking and dry skin initially, and even a little bit of breakout, but that resolves. So let me recoup one thing. I'll recoup. The benefits of the product line include improvement in the texture and tone and quality of the skin. It replenishes moisture and creates an optimal bioenvironment for the skin to regenerate. Our patients feel there's a noticeable difference within 4 to 6 weeks, including pore size. And now, this is the first product that I believe is out there to improve pore size. So I thank you so much for watching this video. Dr. Pontius, one of our associates and who is our skincare specialist, also has a separate YouTube video just on DefenAge as well. So I really appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.